think I can upload a digital product to my Stan Store in less time than it takes me to open this Stan Store box, which my Stan Fam sweatshirt came in. Let's see. Are you up for the challenge? Absolutely love Stan Store. It is one of the #1 ways I've been able to grow my income consistently online across all social medias, like time out. And don't forget, you can get a free trial up in my TikTok Stan Store profile. It's on me, guys. It's on Stan. Have a great day. So if you're not yet part of the Stan Fam and using Stan Store for your digital products, what actually are you waiting for?